Hello, North Plainfield. Megan Schutz here to show you how to get your videos from Zoom to go directly into your Google Drive if you are on a Mac computer. So starting in your Drive, you need to make sure that you've downloaded, go to the settings, get Drive for desktop. You need to download and install Drive file stream. Once you do that on your Mac, drag that over. Once you install the Google Drive file stream on your Mac, it might ask you for security preferences. So you click on Open Security Preferences, unlock your preferences, and you need to click the Allow button in order for this to work. Once you click Allow, OK, click Allow. Now you can click Close. Installation was successful. Okay, once your installation is successful, you need to go up to the top and click Sign In. Okay, so now Google Drive file stream is now loading my files. Okay, and you will get this pop-up about how to use it. Fantastic. I don't need to open my Google Drive folder. So now I have a Google Drive folder on my desktop that is directly linked to my Google Drive in North Plainfield. So now to get to the real good stuff, getting into your Zoom to set it up. So you go into the Zoom app on your computer, to Settings, go to Recording. Here's where it's saying Store my recordings. I can choose a new location. Okay. So I choose my location. I'm going to go to my Google Drive over here on the left-hand side, My Drive. And I have a Zoom folder in my Drive. So that's where I'm putting it. Once it goes there, I can choose, I have it set up by periods. I can choose which folder to put it into. So I'm going to choose. So now notice it has changed. It's now in my Drive. And that's how you change where your recordings go, so you no longer have to download them and put them into Drive manually.